So, the process to find liked posts on Instagram is quite easy and simple. Once you have opened up the Instagram app, just go and tap on the profile icon at the right bottom corner. This should open up your profile. Once you are here, you need to go and tap on three lines at the right top corner. This should open up your settings and activity. Inside here, under how you use Instagram, you have multiple options. The third option is your activity. Tap on your activity with the icon of this heartbeat. Tap on this. Inside here, if you go on the top, you have interactions. Under interactions, you have likes. Tap on likes. And here you can also put a lot of filters from new to the oldest, all dates, all content types, for example, reels, post, and everything. And you can apply those filters and see what you have liked. So, hope by doing so, you'll be able to find out the liked posts on Instagram. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.